Dividing numbers in index form. Pause the video and write down anything you know about dividing numbers in index form. So when we're dividing numbers in index form, we have the following rule. The rule states that a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n can be written as a to the power of m minus n. So basically, if the bases are the same and you're dividing, you can subtract the powers. So when dividing, subtract the powers if the bases are the same. So in this example, we have 3 to the power of 3 divided by 3 to the power of 5. The bases are the same. So when we're dividing, what we do is we subtract the powers. We do 3 take away 5, and 3 take away 5 is minus 2. Pause the video and try examples 6, 7, and 8. Simplify 2 to the power of 5 divided by 2 to the power of 2, or 2 squared. The bases are the same, so we can subtract the powers because we're dividing. So 5 take away 2 would give us 3. 2 to the power of 3. Example 7. Simplify b to the power of 6 divided by b to the power of 4. The bases are the same, they're both b. So we can subtract the powers. 6 take away 4 because we're dividing, and 6 take away 4 is 2, so b squared. In the last example, we've got two operations. We've got c to the power of 5 times c to the power of 8, and then that's divided by c to the power of 4. If we just take it a step at a time, c to the power of 5 times c to the power of 8, the bases are the same, so we can add those powers to get c to the power of 8. That still has to be divided by c to the power of 4. C to the power of 8 divided by c to the power of 4. The bases are the same, and we're dividing, which means we subtract the powers. So 8 take away 4, which gives us 4. So your answer is c to the power of 4.